Truth. Very interesting. We've already had the first the previous video dealing with that. But the word truth, when it shows up in Scripture, we go to John 8, verse 32, where it says, "And ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free." So you would be in knowledge of the truth. Are you aware of the truth? Or are you still confused in the fiction? When Eve was deceived in the garden, she didn't know which tree was condemned because she only repeated secondhand information that she was told not to eat from the tree in the midst or the middle of the garden. Both the tree of the knowledge of life and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil were both in the midst or the middle of the garden. She did not get firsthand direction from God. This was hearsay through Adam, and it appears he didn't make it clear to her what the dictates of God were on this matter, which left her in quandary, and the serpent used that moment, like lawyers, to move in and use her vulnerability to move her towards a direction of acting on something that was what? Questionable. Plain truths are not questionable. They don't need to be proven. They are what they are. But things that are of questionable existence, they need some form of proof, and they'll need you to act on the fiction to be the proof. That's why they need your proof in a consensual pictured licensing of licentious behavior, using something that does not belong to you in the world of fiction, and they would need your consensual signature. So truth, the question is, are you alive or are you the dead body corporate of the legal state? According to John 8, verse 32, it says, "And ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free." You cannot be freed by legal fiction. You can only be made free by the knowledge of truth of God. So hopefully you have absorbed the numerous amount of videos that we placed up on this site. But this again is another, hopefully for you, a foundation of due diligence in research that will help you to free yourself from the world of legal debt, sin, of the legal state, of those who act as legal persons.